What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is your boy LB, and today I'm gonna show you how I create this hologram effect inside Adobe Premiere Pro. The things you have to do, you have to shoot the clip, and then you have to take the screen recording of what you have been shooted. It depends what the kind of the hologram you are going to do. So now this is my video clip, and then let's jump on it, and let me show you how to do this. As you see here on my workspace, so this is the first clip that I have been shooted, okay, and I have to put it here on this timeline. Okay, so first I shoot myself, okay, and then I was imagining on my front of there is some screen, okay, hologram screen, and then I scroll, and then this is the screen recording that have been recorded on my PC. Okay, now you see how it is. Okay, so now the things I'm going to do first before I make this hologram effects, I'm going to balance my timing, because this is my first clip that have been shooted. Okay, and then after shooting this clip, so I record this screen recording for the second time, but by just using timing of my first clip. So now the things I'm going to do, let me try to put it together something like this, and I just want first to combine the timing together. Okay, so click on this hologram and let me try to reduce opacity, something like this. Okay, and I'm going to just find the first scroll. Okay, so first let me check it out on my first subject where he's starting to scroll. Okay, it is this one. Okay, and then I have to add like a marker. Let me just cut it by here. And also guys, I'm going to find my first and also guys, I'm going to find my first scroll on this screen recording. Okay, that's why I have to combine together. Okay, yeah, I think I got it. So now this is my first scroll. Okay, so now the things I'm going to do also, and I'm going to cut it something like this, and then I'm going to combine those two signs together. Okay, so now when I pray guys, and let me see how those scroll is going together. Okay, this is the first scroll, and this is the second one. You see guys how the subject is scrolling, and then this is the second one. Okay, that is the third one, but it is not going well. Okay, so the things I'm going to do, let me try to so this is first doing the timing. Now you see guys, the hologram is going with my subject. Yeah, this is nice. So now the things I'm going to do after arranging this timing guys, and I'm going to create my hologram. Okay, so now the things I'm going to do guys, just click here on this screen recording footage, and then go here on this effect, and I'm going to search the effect which is called basic 3D. Okay, basic 3D is this one, and then just drag and drop it here on this footage. Now you see guys, and I'm going to rotate how my screen will be. Okay, so now just come up here on this swivel. Okay, and I'm going to rotate in this way, something like this guys. Okay, now this is a real nice. Okay, so let me try to use this position to put it in this side. Okay, now you see the things is going well. Okay, this is nice. Even I can just tilt just a little bit, something like this, and then let me try to put it in this side too. Okay, and then this is really nice. Okay, so guys, about this opacity, just let me put it on like 60. Okay, or 50, 40, yes, because I just want to see my subject, okay, behind this screen. Okay, my screen, it will be looks like transparent. Okay, and then just let me come back here on this effect, and I'm going to search the effect which is called, okay, color RGB. Yes, balance. Color RGB, yes, this one. So they have to put it here on this footage on the top. Okay, that's why I'm going to use this red, because I just want my hologram to be, yes, green like this. Even so guys, you can use this green, you can change into the color you want guys. Okay, maybe you can choose blue. Okay, so for me, let me just use this green. Okay, yeah, this is real nice. And then just let me search another effect which is called the grow. Yes, grow alpha. this one. So let me try to put it here on this footage. So guys, and I'm going to add the grow. Now you see how the grow it is, okay? And let me try to increase, yes, the grow, something like this, okay? Maybe this is too much. Yes, let me increase something like this, and then let me just choose like a white which is mixed with this color. Maybe it is this one. Yeah, the same as this and color. Yeah, this is now you see how the grow it is. So guys, and let me add another effect which is called wave warp, okay? Wave warp, this one, okay, because I just want my hologram to make something animated, okay? So for this wave height, let me add like -2, okay? And then about this wave width, let me add like a more number, okay? So, and about this direction, yes, let me just put it as default here on 90. And then this wave speed, let me try to add like more number 2, okay? Because I just want the wave, yes, my hologram to be waving something like this. Now you see how it is, okay? So this is a really nice, guys, okay? So, and then when I play, now you see how this hologram it is, okay? This is really nice. And then if it is not transparented well, guys, you can also just come up here on this opacity, and then you keep reducing, okay? Something like these, guys, okay? Maybe, yes, this is cool. And then guys, after this, and I'm going to animate by using position and scale, okay? Where my hologram is starting goes up, and then where it is ending goes down, okay? So first let me just find where this subject is starting to press you on the phone, okay? Because it is where my hologram will be. Just come up, yes, just right here, okay? And then when you press, the hologram just goes up, okay? It will start it by here. That's why I have to come back here on this motion, position, and the scale, and I have to add the keyframe here too. And then guys, let me just come back forward. Let me just come back where, let me just move backward like 5 frames, okay? And then let me just reduce this scale, and then let me use this position, and then I have to put this hologram here on this phone. Yes, that means it will be just comes here on this phone, and then let me scale it to 0. And then when I play, guys, now you see how this hologram it is. Yes, where it comes from. This comes from the phone, okay? That's why, yes, I have to smooth this keyframe, okay? So let me try to add a distance, something like this. Then select those all keyframe, right click on it, and then go here on the temporary interpolation, and then here click here on this easy out. Guys, remember to smooth this position keyframe, something like this, even this scale, okay? You have to select all, and then you have to smooth it in this way, okay? So when you play, now you see how this hologram it is coming. This is really nice. And then let me just go to find where my hologram it is ended, okay? That's why it will be disappeared, okay? When he press something like this, double click, and also I have to add keyframe for here, okay? And also, and I'm going to jump like 7 or 10 frame front forward, okay? Something like this. And then I have to reduce the opacity of this hologram, and then let me try to put it on this, yes, on this phone, okay? Let me just add 0. This is nice, okay? And then so when I play, guys, now let me check it out. Let me see how it is, okay?
But in just 1 minute, I will turn it into cinematic.
This is a really nice, guys. So, and then guys, after animating this hologram, so let me just want to duplicate this footage, because you see when the hologram goes up, yes, the bright it will goes on this subject too, okay? So hold Alt on your keyboard and then duplicate this clip, okay? So and then after duplicating this clip, guys, just click here on it. So and I'm going to mask, okay, where the highlight or where the light of this hologram will goes. Okay, something like this. Let me just put it half on this table so you know. So and then let me just go here on the color. Okay, I just want to increase like a bright. That means the bright will just, yes, something like this, guys. Even the highlight. And then guys, let me smooth it, something like this. Okay, yeah, this is a real nice. So and when the hologram starting coming is where even this bright will just comes. Okay, okay, that's why it means. So I have to reduce this bright, okay, by just using this opacity. Let me just put it to 0. Okay, and then I have to add the keyframe, and then when the hologram comes, something like this, and then the bright must be comes up, something like that. Okay, so when I pray, guys, let me see how it is. Okay, okay, this is a real nice. And then at the end also it will be the same as, okay, so when he's going to close this hologram, so let me just add a keyframe here too, and then when this hologram disappeared, yes, and also I have to reduce, yes, this, yes, blight. Okay,
Looks flat right now, but in just 1 minute I will turn it into cinematic master.
alright guys, so if you like my video, please don't forget to make subscribe and like, drop the comment down below and let me know what you think. So guys, I know this video is very helpful to you. Thank you, and I will see you in next video. Peace.